So guys, how to blur the background of a video in CapCut? It's really simple. Bring your clip to the timeline, then go to Effect, then under Video Effect, select the lens, then scroll, look for blur, this one. If the effect is not downloaded, just click on the download button, then just simple drag and drop. Now go to right side, adjust the blur level. Suppose we are happy with this. Now go back to Media tab, bring the same clip to the second layer. Now select the clip again, then go to Video, Basic, Cutout, then check Auto Cutout. Done. We have our blur background. If you want to edit the blur level again, select the first layer, then go to Video, Basic, under Effect, we have blur, and the right side of blur, we have a pen icon. Just single click on it. Now we can adjust the blur level here. So guys, that's how easily we can blur the background of a video in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.